I am at the Honda dealer. It's a whole new video. I left the bike dealer, as you see in the last video. Or this video might be first. I don't know. However y'all get the video is how y'all can get it. But Shay Sway is here. Wave, Sway, Shay Sway. I am here in the building. I am back at the dealership where I had the Supra and they were trying to get me to a Type R. I was not going for it. But yeah, man, I'm here, man. I told them I was trying to do appraisal, and then the boss that came out and said, "Oh, you got a nice wrap. Oh, you done a lot too." I told him I have done a lot, but I got a cap. I told him I'll have his wrap wheels, his suspension, because that's really all I have right now, a wrap wheel suspension. So yeah, that's what I have. But not gonna lie, the 2022 Civics, I love those. I'm not gonna lie, because it's like a Tesla. It drives itself. Well, it could drive itself. It has a lot. Brand new car. So I would literally have no problem with it. Full warranty. I have no warranty right now. I'm just thinking, I'm paying for a car I don't want. Personally, I'd rather have the 2022 Civic over this car personally. The car looked good, but problematic. I'll be seeing either the video after this, before this, to drop it off to fix the car. So yeah, man, crazy, man. But obviously, if you have a car for a long time, you're gonna get attached to it. I built this car up from the ground up. I'm attached to it. I technically don't want to sell it, but I just want something new. If they had an option to lease a car for 1 year, oh, I would do that in a heartbeat. But unfortunately, I think the minimum leasing term is like 3 years. So man, unless it's like a Hellcat, the Benz I want, or something like that, Lambo, I keep the car for 3 years. That'd be fine, but I don't want to keep this car because my term for this car is 72 months. Put down like $5 grand. Man, car note it's not high, but I forgot. I have it on automatic, so I haven't looked at my car note or how much I paid for it in months. So I forgot how much I even paid for the car. Yeah, so if you guys don't know what the 2022 Civic looks like, this is what it looks like. I do like this gray. It reminds me of like that Audi gray that you see in I don't know. It's like the Audi. I don't know. It's like a grayish blue color. I like it, but yeah, man. I ain't gonna lie. These dealerships still don't got shit for sale. That is crazy. But yeah, I don't know. I don't see no 22-year model Civics outside. That's the Accord, but not gonna lie, I've never been a fan of Accord. Accord is really like long as hell. Shit marked up to $34,000. They said they didn't want to buy it because all the stuff I have done to my car. So as you see where I'm at right now, I already know the offer they gave me. They gonna want to go lower price, even though it says the price is good online. I don't know. I'm okay over, man. I'm finna go home. I ain't ate all damn day. I ain't ate since last night. I'm fucking tired. I'm hungry, sleepy, annoyed. But I'm gonna go back here and see what cars they got before I even see. First car I see, they got a Chevy SS. Fuck. I ain't seen one of these in a long time. Chevy SS. Where's the price at? There's no price on this? Man, this car for sure going for at least like 60. At least 50, 60. Damn. This Chevy SS is nice. You always wanted one of these. They do have a lot of cars here. They got the Challenger wrap in the hood is f***ed up horrible. But they got a Corvette V6 Camaro that's going for like 30,000. Interior nice though, but it's V6, but it is nice. Another red V6. They have a RT. I told myself I would never get an RT, but I'm not gonna lie, RT's been looking. But it's Scat Pack though. This is Scat Pack, but I'm talking about the RT that's over there. White too, but no sunroof. 39,000. Thing is, I can easily afford these payments, but me being a Negro, I don't want to put no money down. But I always wanted a Mustang GT. Not gonna lie. You see that? If you got shit credit, it's gonna be like $800. Easy. Camaro SS. Another Scat Pack right here. Let's see what's going on. This Camaro SS going for 37. Yellow. This 2018 Scat Pack is going for 42. Fuck no, I could buy a 2016 Hellcat. Man, they got a lot of fucking cars here. I always like these 3-liter turbo Infinities. Let's see, man. This Infinity Q68 is a coupe for 33. Ooh, that screen on the inside is nice. Not gonna lie, I like these too. I like these. That's the GLA 45 AMG. I see one of these. Yeah. Only thing I don't like about Benzes is that the screen is low key weak. But come on, man. Tell me that shit is nice. You put that on suspension, fire. Type R. Let me see what other. Because my objective is to get a regular car. Type R, probably going for like 54. Some regular Hondas. No. They have an SI right here, the blue SI with a 4-door SI. This is nice. This one probably going for. There's not even no price on it. Yeah, it is. It has warranty on it. Got a dealer warranty. 32,000. Nah, but WRX. So obviously it's now nighttime. You see the red light is on, so obviously it's nighttime. Long story short, I was at CarMax. I couldn't really find a car like I really like, so I stepped in and just also like a line, so that played a part. So I ended up leaving, but my car appraisal still is available for a whole week anyway. So my trip and dude said just keep looking to see online and see what I like. So I'll be doing that for the next few days, but. Alright, y'all, just like that, I got some new subs in my car. Out in with the new, out with the old. Oh, this thing bumping. I ain't gonna lie, this is bumping way more than my last subs, man. I ain't gonna lie. But yeah, even trade, man. Got rid of, gave them my subs and my amp for a better model amp and sub, man. Yeah, so I'm running 212 Kicker Comp CV X something. I don't know, but it's like the highest like model for like a Kicker Comp. So and then if you know Kicker Comps, then you know that Kicker Comps has some shit in there, man. But we are somewhere, I forgot what city I'm in. I think I'm in Santa Ana or something like that. But yeah, man, I've been playing this song for a minute. I'm probably head to the gym right now. We'll go home, change clothes, head to the gym. All right, y'all, so I am back at the gym. Day number fucking, this is like the 3rd or 4th month I've been in the gym, man. Tired butts. Yeah, man. I don't know what y'all doing, but I'm in the gym. My goddamn brother today, I got his ass in the gym working. Yeah, motherfucker, work. Just get your fat ass and up and work, boy. Yeah, do them ass. Yeah. Behind your head, nigga. That's right. Behind your goddamn head, yeah. But, yeah, man. He finally decided to join me in the gym. Phil, you good over there? You good?
What?
You good?
Working.
You working all right?
Working, bro.
Or do 10 push-ups.
10 push-ups?
Yeah, 10 push-ups right now, quick.
Do those things right there.
Nah, I ain't doing them on the ground. Come on. All right, go. Nigga, I ain't moving.
All right,
Come on.
Man, what the best field camera, nigga?
Yeah. Get your ass to work, nigga. Come on. Yeah, you on camera today. What you gonna do on camera?
You said 10 push-ups.
Yeah, 10. It's perfectly how it is right now. Nah, don't move him, nigga. I had him perfectly. Diamond shaped. 1, 2,
What? That's 3.
2. The first one going down the count. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Do 5 more. Ah, what happened? What happened? Hey, man.
Tired, bro.
I think his pussy hurt. Your pussy hurt?
Tired, bro.
Nah, I think your pussy hurt, man. Do 5 more.
Tired,
Do
bro.
5 more. You got it. Come on, Jack. Nah. Look, I got my own energy drink today. My own brand, you know, my own drink, you feel me? Orange to match the whip. So that's how you know it's mine. I'm playing, it's not mine, but hey, man. The brand is called Sway, but you know, like I'm the real Sway out here, but it's cool, man. I'm at the gym. This nigga fucked up my push-up thing over there.
Give us 5 more.
Huh?
Give us 5 more.
You give me 5 more, see what happens.
Yeah.
Give me 5
Look who
more.
pussy hurt. Yeah.
Nigga, your pussy hurt. Nope. Yeah, it's in there, nigga. One more. Hold it. You gotta go up and hold it. It took me about 6 months to figure out the flavor and the exact flavor and the sugar and all that. I mean, even though there's no sugar here. But this one is orange flavor because my whole idea of this one was because my favorite drink is orange Fanta. So this drink is the closest thing to orange Fanta without like that good sugary feeling. Fire. Look, I had to pull into this fucking random ass gas station because one, I was driving and then I literally on the drive with the lights just like this at night in daytime. So yeah, the police, so I was making a left at this light right here to go home, and then I noticed the police was following me from way over there because the police was going this way and then I was going this way. So he busted the bitch to follow me. So he's trying to hide somewhere over there because I know I pulled in right here, and then he slowed down all the way and pulled somewhere left. So yeah, man, we might have a hit video. My car might be an impound, I don't know, but let me go show y'all my subs though. Hold on, let me give y'all. This is my shit right here. Alright, y'all, yeah, so that's it. Let me try and go home, man.
If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some payback. Got me out here really looking for the payback. Yeah. Every song's free away. Cause that nigga paid the way. Niggas mimicking the city I was raised. Hold along without no homage getting paid. I mix the fruity pebbles with the hint though. Still up on that block but also indoor. Ever since I got it popping like a pinball. Everybody tryna be a nigga friend no. Circle tighter than the lifestyle. Family questioning my lifestyle. Think my head is swelling cause I'm iced out. Ask me how I sleep, said what the lights out. Ex text me how I sleep, said with the lights off. Tryna get in a position, can't take nights off. I can shower shit and sleep, won't take the ice off. Constant reminder just to never set my sights off. If you ain't really with me, nigga, say that. If she fronted on me, then she could stay back. I'm Zariga in the end and we don't play that. Surf tatted on my hand and I'ma stay there. I'm tryna put my mama in the Maybach. I'ma shit on every place I used to slave at. Got me out here really looking for some